How does leukemia impact blood cell production? Imagine your blood as a busy factory, constantly making new cells to keep you healthy. These cells start in the bone marrow, where stem cells act like raw materials that can turn into different types of blood cells. Normally, these stem cells develop into red blood cells that carry oxygen, white blood cells that fight infections, and platelets that help blood clot. This process is carefully controlled by chemical signals called growth factors, ensuring the right balance of each cell type. In leukemia, this smooth process gets disrupted. The problem begins when a single blood cell in the bone marrow develops genetic mutations. These mutations change the instructions in the cell's DNA, causing it to grow and divide uncontrollably. Instead of following the normal life cycle, these mutated cells keep multiplying, creating a large number of abnormal cells. These cancerous cells, called leukemic cells, can be myeloblasts in acute myeloid leukemia or lymphoblasts in lymphocytic leukemia. As these abnormal cells increase, they start to crowd out the healthy blood cells in the bone marrow. This crowding prevents the marrow from producing enough normal red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. When red blood cell production drops, it leads to anemia, which makes you feel tired, weak, and short of breath because your body isn't getting enough oxygen. The decrease in healthy white blood cells weakens your immune system, making it harder to fight off infections. The shortage of platelets causes easy bruising, bleeding, and longer clotting times. At the molecular level, leukemia cells often have mutations in genes that control gene activity, like TET2, IDH1, and IDH2. These mutations can turn off or turn on genes in abnormal ways, leading to the production of fusion proteins that block cells from maturing into fully functional blood cells. Instead, they stay in an immature state and keep dividing. Over time, these leukemic cells can spill into the bloodstream and spread to other parts of the body, further disrupting normal functions. The speed at which leukemia progresses varies. Acute leukemia develops quickly with many abnormal cells, causing symptoms early on. Chronic leukemia tends to grow more slowly, sometimes without obvious signs in the beginning. Regardless of the type, the impact on blood cell production is serious. It hampers the body's ability to produce healthy blood cells, which are essential for oxygen transport, immune defense, and blood clotting. Understanding how leukemia interferes with blood cell production highlights why early diagnosis and proper medical care are so important. If you or someone you know is concerned about leukemia, always consult healthcare professionals for personalized advice and treatment options.